What drives someone to chase the heart of a storm? For dedicated storm chasers, the answer lies in an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and an adrenaline-fueled passion. Day after day, they face the wrath of tornadoes and ferocious winds, armed with nothing but cameras and scientific equipment. These brave individuals get dangerously close, capturing breathtaking footage while documenting vital data to improve forecasts and save lives. Each twist and turn could mean disaster, yet they persist, driven by a mission to understand the unpredictable forces of nature. Ultimately, their courage not only illuminates the beauty of storms, but also serves a critical role in protecting communities from impending danger.